On January 25th, 2026, the Government of India released the complete list of Padma Awards 2026. A total of 131 distinguished citizens will be honored this year with Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri, recognizing exceptional service across fields such as cinema, politics, sports, judiciary, education, music, social work and public service. Before we get into the names, let us briefly understand the significance of these awards. The Padma Awards are among India's highest civilian honors. They are announced every year on the eve of Republic Day, January 26, and later conferred by the President of India during a special ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The 2026 list includes several well-known national icons as well as many individuals who work quietly, transform lives at the grassroots level, and is now receiving nationwide recognition for the first time. Let us begin with the most prominent names. One of the most talked about honors this year is the posthumous Padma Vibhushan for legendary actor Dharmendra, who passed away on November 24, 2025. With a career spanning over 6 decades, Dharmendra shaped Indian cinema through countless memorable films and characters, earning love across generations. From Kerala, senior political leader and former Chief Minister V.S. Achyutanandan has also been selected for the Padma Vibhushan posthumously for his lifelong contribution to public life and politics. Former Supreme Court Judge Justice K.T. Thomas will receive the Padma Vibhushan for his exceptional service to the judiciary. Renowned classical violinist N. Rajam, a globally respected figure in Indian classical music, is also being honored with the Padma Vibhushan. In the field of literature and education, P. Narayanan has been selected for the same honor. Veteran Malayalam and Indian cinema icon Mammootty joins the Padma Vibhushan list for his extraordinary contribution to cinema. Moving to the Padma Bhushan Awards, the legendary Bollywood playback singer Alka Yagnik, whose voice has defined decades of Hindi film music, will be honored this year. From politics, Shibu Soren, founder of the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha and former Chief Minister of Jharkhand, who passed away on August 4th, 2025, will receive the Padma Bhushan posthumously. Former Uttarakhand Chief Minister and former Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari is also among the Padma Bhushan awardees. In the banking and finance sector, Uday Kotak, founder of Kotak Mahindra Bank, will receive the Padma Bhushan for his contribution to India's financial ecosystem. In sports, former Indian tennis star Vijay Amritraj will be honored with the Padma Bhushan for his achievements and global representation of Indian tennis. Now coming to Padma Shri Awards, one of the most talked about names here is Indian cricket captain Rohit Sharma, who will receive the Padma Shri before his full retirement. Under his captaincy, India won a T20 World Cup and his batting legacy continues to inspire millions. From women's cricket, Harmanpreet Kaur will receive the Padma Shri. Under her leadership, the Indian women's team won the ICC World Cricket World Cup 2025, a historic first for the country. Actor R. Madhavan, a national award winner, has also been selected for the Padma Shri for his contribution to Indian cinema. Veteran Bengali actor Prasenjit Chatterjee, one of the most respected names in Bengali cinema, will also receive the Padma Shri. While these well-known names dominate headlines, the Padma Awards also shine a light on unsung heroes. Among them is Ankush Gada, who built India's largest free library, making education accessible to thousands. Environmental activist Mohan Nagar, who helped construct over 75,000 water conservation structures, will receive the Padma Shri for his contribution to water sustainability. Indian Paralympian Praveen Kumar will be honored for bringing pride to the nation through his achievements despite a challenging circumstance. A special mention goes to 90-year-old tribal artist Biklia Latka Dinda from Maharashtra, who has preserved the traditional tarpa musical instrument for decades. Another Padma Shri awardee is Mir Haji Bhai Kasim Bhai, popularly known as Haji Ramakadu, a folk artist from Gujarat. With over 8,000 stage performers, his music carried social messages, promoted cultural awareness, and served the community beyond entertainment. In total, the Padma Awards 2026 include 5 Padma Vibhushan, 13 Padma Bhushan, 113 Padma Shri. Out of the 131 awardees, 19 are women and 16 honors are posthumous Now, the question is, which of these names make you happiest? Is there some name you feel deserved this honor but was missing from this list? Or is there a name we did not mention but should be discussed? Share your thoughts in the comment section and be part of the conversation. I am Varsha Venugopal. You're watching KTV India. Thank you for watching.